sa tila kawalan ng suporta sa digmaan kontra Iran, hindi napigilan ni United States President Donald Trump na ilabas ang kanyang sentimiento sa mga kaalyado sa NATO. NJ Guzman para sa report.
Binanata ni US President Donald Trump ang mga kaalyado nito sa North Atlantic Treaty Organization o NATO. Iginiit niya na nagtagumpay ang US military pero kulang naman ang suporta ng NATO sa kanilang military operations sa Iran. Tila sinumbatan din ni Trump ang mga kasama niya sa NATO dahil sa malaking gastos ng Estados Unidos sa alyansa. Tinawag niya pang paper tiger ang NATO.
We've had some very bad allies in NATO. I hope you're all watching that, Scott, because we had some asks. And, you know, we spend trillions of dollars on NATO, and when we need them, which we never do, we didn't need them here either. To be honest, I was really asking because I wanted to see what they do. They're a paper tiger. And so I learned about NATO. NATO won't be there if we ever have the big one. You know what I mean by the big one. We ever have the big one, hopefully we won't.
Ipinaalala rin ni Trump na binigyan ng Washington ng $350 billion na financial at military aid ang Ukraine at wala anyang nakuwang kapalit ang Estados Unidos para rito. Sinabi niya rin na may lamat na ang relasyon ng US at United Kingdom dahil sa mabagal na military action ng Britanya. Sa kabila ng kanyang pagbabatikos sa mga kaalyado ay pinuri naman ni Trump ang lakas at husay ng US military sa Iran. Anya tinuturuan niya ang mga ito na mamuhay ng ligtas at sinabing winasak na ng Washington ang mga armas ng Iran.
We're doing really well as a country. We're teaching people how to live in safety. We're over in Iran. We're sort of pretty much winding that up. Have to take a few more hits. We want to make sure we don't ever allow them to have a nuclear weapon because they'll use it, and you see how serious they were with the conventional ballistic missiles. They have thousands of them. We've blown most of them up. You notice every week it gets a little less at us and at our allies. We've had some very good allies over there. We've had good. The war's going to be over in 3 days. My prediction, it turns out. By the way, do we have the greatest military ever?
Hindi pa rin nagbabago sa ngayon ang posisyon ng karamihan sa mga bansang kasapi ng NATO. May ilan na hindi pabor sa paggamit ni Trump sa kanilang mga base militar, habang may iba gaya ni British Prime Minister Keir Starmer na nagsabi na hindi nila digmaan ang gyerang nangyayari sa Iran. NJ Guzman, Washington DC para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.